What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I think we have a fun one because I caught myself going down another rabbit hole searching for some funny information about YouTube. And that made me want to create this video and share some of the insights that I found with you guys. I think this information will be super helpful and kind of cool to hear and to see, and it's kind of eye-opening actually. It opened my eyes and hopefully it can open yours. So make sure you stay till the very end of this video to hear what I have to say. It's pretty crazy. But aside from that, this video is going to be about the rabbit hole I went down searching for how many videos does it take to upload to YouTube to hit those really big milestones. I'm talking about how many videos do people upload to hit 1 million subscribers? How many videos do people upload to hit 100,000 subscribers? Now, interestingly enough, I was able to find out some of the information, and I have numbers. I have numbers to share with you guys. So I'm going to share all of that with you at the end of today's video, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm telling you, you're going to want to know. Now, before I get there, I want to talk about 3 things. 3 things that I think can help you and benefit you on your YouTube journey. Specifically talking about the number of videos you upload. Uploading videos might seem like a daunting task. In fact, I was terrified to upload my first YouTube video. But what kind of made me start searching up this topic is I recently realized I just hit a little over 100 long form videos on my YouTube channel. I've uploaded a little over 100. Now that's crazy because just over a year ago, I was scared to upload my first one. And here I am a year and a half later uploading 100 videos. Now to me, I thought that was a really good milestone. I was excited. I was ready to celebrate the small win until I dug further into this and realized the amount of videos you have to post to hit those big milestones are actually really high. Now, the first thing that I want to say is by uploading a lot of videos, you are going to learn a ton of skills. You're going to get better with each upload. You're going to learn video editing. You're going to learn videography. You're going to learn so many skills that you didn't have before. And that's actually amazing. Think about how much you're going to learn from the first video you upload to the 100th video you upload. There is so much that you're going to learn in that amount of time. You're going to get better in front of the camera. Hopefully you like the way you sound. You like the way you look. You like your presence. You like everything, right? And from that 100th video on, you're going to continuously learn more and more and improve more and more. And so that's a really cool thing to think about. It's also a little reassuring to think that the first video shouldn't be as scary because you're going to be uploading hundreds, if not thousands of long-form video content. So being shy or having a little hiccup on one video shouldn't deter you from posting that one video. Your hair doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe if you mess up slightly, it's okay. It's totally fine. Done is better than perfect. And by uploading that video, you are one step closer to getting better, to improving, and to hitting 100, 1,000 uploads on YouTube. So it's pretty exciting when you think about it, and if I had anything to share with you, it would just be to not be so hard on yourself. Don't be so critical because it's just one video. In the grand scheme of things, it's just one video out of thousands. So moving on to the next thing I want to talk about, the next thing is it takes a lot of videos to reach these massive milestones. I know this is probably something you never thought about. I don't even know why I thought about it, to be honest. But when I looked into this and I realized that 100 videos is nothing. The 100 videos that I have uploaded is nothing. The people that are hitting these giant milestones and the places that I want to one day achieve are uploading thousands of videos. And so I need to create more content. I need to continue coming up with ideas. If I only have 100 videos and I'm out of ideas to make videos of, there's a problem. Because I am way far off of the milestones that I want to hit. I am way far off from the goals and the places that I want to achieve. So this is just giving me a whole new mindset and a whole new mentality on creating videos. I need any content idea that I come up with, I need to create a video on. I need to push out more content and make each one better than the next. I need to have better ideas, better storytelling. I need to have better visuals. I need to have a better presence, a better voice. I need to have better editing. I have to do so much better on all of my videos so that I can hit these massive milestones. And it's exciting. So if you're somebody looking to start YouTube or you're brand new to YouTube, just don't be so critical. I hope that's a point that I'm getting across in this video. Don't be so critical on that one upload. Cut yourself some slack and move on to the next. Get better and better with each upload and you will hit those massive milestones in no time. Now the third and final thing I have to say about uploading videos in quantity is the more videos that you put out, the better your analytics are going to be, the more earnings you're going to see, the more subscribers you're going to get. And essentially, the more videos you post is going to be what creates that snowball effect. When somebody comes to your channel and they watch one video and they love it, they're going to keep watching more and more videos that are similar to that video or maybe talk about a similar topic. And by you creating more and more videos, that's going to give these people, this audience, more videos to watch. If you only have one video on this specific topic, then that viewer is just going to watch your video and then go watch other people's videos. But if you continuously make content, good quality content that people like, they're going to essentially create this snowball where they're just going to watch it and continue watching all the other things that you create. The only way you can do that is by creating more and more videos. So I hope that was informative and I hope you learned something about this topic. Now, moving on, I want to share with you some of the analytics that I learned by doing this type of research. And I'll link the video down below that I watched to get these exact numbers. But essentially, somebody dug into a database and took the average of 3.5 million YouTube channels back in 2020 because they wanted to get the exact numbers on how many videos it would take to hit these big milestones. So the numbers might blow you away because they blew me away. But for a channel with 1 million YouTube subscribers, right? This is an average. This doesn't mean that if you do this, you're going to achieve these results. It might happen before, it might happen after. This is just an average. But for YouTube channels of 1 million subs and above, they had on average 3,873 videos uploaded to their YouTube channel to hit 1 million subs. That is crazy to me. I'm over here celebrating 100 and they have 3,000 plus. Now on average, between 100,000 subscribers and 1 million subs, they took an average of how many videos those people had or those channels had, and they had 1,171 videos uploaded to their YouTube channel to get around 100,000 to 1 million subscribers. Now for the channels who had between 10,000 and 100,000 subscribers, they uploaded around 418 videos. So that's not too bad, but I'm still only 1/4 of the way there. Now last but certainly not least, the smaller channels, we're talking 1,000 subs to 10,000 subs. They had 152 videos uploaded to their YouTube channel to get those results. So that's actually really astonishing because I'm right on par basically with them. I'm around 100 videos and I'm around 6,000 subscribers. So hopefully by the time I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm at around 150 videos. So at this pace, I have a lot of work to do. You probably have a lot of work to do. So let's get to work. Let's continue creating long form content and let's see where YouTube takes us. Please guys, if you like this video, make sure you like it down below. Turn on post notifications, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. So guys, we are going to do amazing things together. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!